In today's video, we finally tackle this disgustingly dirty interior and exterior on our ES300 project car. So buckle your seatbelts for this one because you're definitely going to want to see this amazing transformation. So in that montage, you may have noticed that we have a somewhat new problem. The taillight lens on this outer taillight on the right hand side has broken. So I went ahead and used some gasket maker to just get the taillight lens back on while I waited for a replacement to come in the mail. So let's go ahead and install that now. Now we're going to clean our engine bay, and what I use for this is a product called P21S Total Auto Wash. It's a heavy degreaser. This takes 5 minutes or less. All you gotta do is cover up anything electrical. So I've got the battery, the alternator. I also have the brake booster covered up just in case because there are some electrical connections running there. And we're gonna go ahead and spray it down. What we're going to do is take our regular garden hose and just rinse it off gently. Well, if you're wondering why I'm wearing a different color shirt, it's actually the next day. I ran out of daylight yesterday and didn't get to actually finish washing the car. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. I'm not going to be super thorough and take a bunch of time on it because it's parked right there all the time. And I have a bunch of cedar type trees above it, and all they do is shed junk on it all day and all night. So I know however clean I get it, it's just going to end up looking not so great within 24 hours or so. So we're just going to give it a nice basic wash today, nothing too crazy. The interior, on the other hand, we're going to do it right. So stick around for that. Throughout the course of this video, you will see me use a lot of different products. If you're curious as to what they are, feel free to look at the description below as they'll be linked there. Just got the car in the garage. The first thing I'm going to do is remove the floor mats. So with the age of the vehicle and who knows how long it's been since these carpets have been cleaned, I went ahead and brought out the big gun. So in addition to suction, we'll also have agitation. That should help loosen up anything that's hidden deep down underneath and suck it into the vacuum cleaner. That way these carpets are as clean as possible. This part right here was easily the grossest part of making this entire video. Here you see me putting down some carpet solution and using a drill brush to agitate the gunk out of the carpet. Using only hot water, I used the extractor to pull out the stain that was hiding in this carpet. It did have a hint of coffee smell, so I presume this is just a coffee stain, but as you can see, it was buried in there quite deep, and it took probably 20 to 25 minutes just on this section alone to get it out. I kept using the extractor until all of the water was completely clear flowing through the nozzle. Y'all, I'm so excited right now because inside the rear cover for this seat, there were some parts, and look what I found. The part from what I believe to be from the rearview mirror that I needed to order. So, oh yeah, now I don't have to go hunt to find that part. That's probably really hard to find nowadays. Awesome. after a day and some change working on this car and getting it cleaned up, it is looking really beautiful. I am so excited about how this turned out. The exterior probably won't look this good for super long because of these trees up here and the fact that it's fall, but the interior looks absolutely stunning. I am very pleased with how that came out. I hope everybody enjoyed the video. If so, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, we'll see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.